We are thrilled to announce the latest addition to our lineup of features on AiPassportPhotos.com, the innovative blur background option. Now, you can transform your passport photos into stunning, professional-looking images that stand out from the crowd. With our blur background feature, you can effortlessly add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your photos. Say goodbye to dull and plain backgrounds. Now you can have a beautifully blurred backdrop that highlights your face and creates a visually captivating effect. The process is simple and user-friendly. Just upload your photo and select the blur background option. Our intelligent algorithm will automatically detect the subject and intelligently blur the background, giving your photo a polished and artistic touch. Blur background feature is not suitable for official documents. It can be used for photographer, graphic designer, and e-commerce. Our blur background feature ensures that your photos exude a sense of professionalism and style. Stand out from the rest with AiPassportPhotos.com cutting-edge technology and make a lasting impression wherever your documents take you. To learn more, please visit our website www.AiPassportPhotos.com/blurbackground.